In this video, I'm going to guide you on connecting any page with reservations to your Facebook page. Let's say you have a website with a reservation plugin, like Ready Restaurant Reservation in this particular case, and you want people on Facebook to easily make a reservation from your page. If you take a look at your Facebook page, you might notice there's no reservation button. Don't worry, we can fix that. First, navigate to your page profile. Click on the three dots, and from the menu, select Add Action button. Choose Contact Us and then add the website link. Now, grab the URL where your reservation form is located, copy it, and paste it into the provided space. Go back to your page, and voila, you now have a Contact Us button. Click on it to verify. Let's see the result. Everything works smoothly, and you're seamlessly directed to the reservation page. Easy, right?